Hello, this is Rishabh Soni and I have created a banking performance and customer insights project in which I have created a 4-page dashboard. Let's get into it. I have built this project to analyze the financial health of the bank and some insights on the risk and loans, and at the end some information about the employees. So on the home page, I have created 5 APIs. The total that tells the total deposit, total loans, revenue, profit, and the customer satisfaction rate, also known as CSAT score. Below that, there's a donut chart that tells the number of active and inactive accounts. Beside that, there's a stacked bar graph that tells the revenue, profit, and expenses as per the city. Near that, there's a map graph that tells the deposit as per the city, and I have used bubbles as per the sizes of the revenue and profit. Then we can see the stacked bar graph that shows the deposits as per the region. Coming to the next page, this tells the deposits, revenue, profit, and loans as per the region as well as the city. The next page shows the average default. The next page has 2 KPIs which shows the average default rate and the average customer churn rate. The loans by region are showed by a donut chart, and just on the right side of that there's an area chart that shows the average default percentage rate and customer churn rate based as per the month. Below that, the total amount of loans as per the months is shown. Coming to the next page, there's a KPI that tells there are 30,096 960 employees, my bad, and just on the right side the employees by region are shown, and below that there's a bar graph that tells the employee as per the city. So this was my quick overview of the project. Thank you.